Drone leaders from across Europe meet in Zadar to expand collaboration and unify airspace integration efforts. The Joint European Drone Association JEDA gathered representatives from across Europe's drone industry on June 6 for its annual General Assembly in Zadar, Croatia. The event welcomed national drone associations from over 15 countries, including Ireland, Austria, Sweden, and France, reflecting the growing momentum behind cross-border collaboration in the drone sector. JEDA General Assembly 2025. European drone leaders meet in Croatia, focus on regulation and integration. The agenda featured presentations by key speakers from both regulatory and air navigation bodies. Damir Bezik from the Croatian Civil Aviation Agency CCAA offered insight into Croatia's current regulatory landscape. Ranko Vuica from Croatia Control Ltd. presented updates on airspace developments and the AMC Portal, tools designed to manage drone traffic safely within shared airspace. EAS's Natali Diarubo spoke about the progress of drone regulations across Europe. He provided updates intended to support consistent policy adoption by member states. Phil Keenel of ASTM International also addressed the audience, contributing global context to the discussion on safety and standards. Welcoming new members. During the meeting, the JEDA Executive Board voted to approve new member associations from Sweden, Poland, and Denmark. Their inclusion broadens the association's reach and underscores the importance of regional cooperation as drone operations grow in complexity and scale. Strengthening ties between industry and research. One of the most significant moments of the event was the official signing of a collaboration agreement between JEDA and the European Aerospace Science Network (ESN). This partnership is expected to strengthen the relationship between drone manufacturers and research institutions, driving innovation across the European aerospace and drone sectors. Looking ahead, JEDA continues its mission to unify Europe's drone industry, promoting safety, innovation, and regulatory harmony. As drone adoption accelerates across the continent, the association's efforts aim to ensure smooth integration into the wider airspace system. JEDA remains committed to fostering a unified European voice for the drone industry, advancing safe integration into airspace, and promoting technological development and regulatory harmonization across member states.